Barcelona's ever-popular strolling boulevard is the Ramblas. While souvenir shops and crowds of tourists have diluted its former elegance, it still offers an entertaining introduction to the city. The Ramblas Bird Market is a hit with kids. Traditionally, children bring their parents here to buy pets. Apartment dwellers find birds, fish, and bunnies easier to handle than dogs and cats. La Boqueria, just steps off the busy boulevard, is Barcelona's lively fish and produce market. Locals shop in the morning for the best and freshest selection. They say if you can't find it at the Boqueria, it's not worth eating. Wherever I travel, I enjoy the cafes and little eateries in the markets. Here at the Pinoccio Bar, even while he and his family are busy feeding shoppers, flamboyant Juan is happy to flash his trademark smile. Back on the Ramblas, the Carnival of Barcelona life continues. A variety of street entertainers vie creatively for your attention and your coins. The bottom of the Ramblas is marked by the Columbus Monument. It was here in Barcelona that the Spanish King Ferdinand and Queen Isabel welcomed Columbus home after his first trip to America. It's ironic that Barcelona would honor the man whose discoveries opened up new trade routes that actually shifted the focus of European trade away from here on the Mediterranean and out to the Atlantic. And in doing so, actually contributed to the downfall of this city as a great trading power. But thriving Barcelona has clearly recovered. Just beyond the Columbus Monument, a modern wave-like extension of the boulevard called the Rambla del Mar stretches into the harbor. It leads to a popular mall of shops and eateries.